Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crochet a simple and a beautiful flower. This crochet flower is easy and perfect for beginners. For this video here I am using grey color of yarn, scissors and a 4mm of crochet hook. This yarn is very soft and easy to use in every project. Hold yarn like this. Insert your hook and make a slip knot like this. Insert your hook and wrap it. Hold it with your finger. Now yarn over and pull it through the loop. Here we have first loop. Now make chain on top. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over and pull it through the loop like this. This is the chain tutorial. Make 5 chain on top, yarn over and pull it through the loop. Repeat the same pattern and make 5 chains. Here my 5 chains complete. Now insert your hook into the chain 1 and make a slip knot. Yarn over and pull it twice like this. After this you see clearly we have a small hole. Then chain 1 on top and make 10 single crochet stitch inside the circle. Insert your hook. Inside the circle pull the yarn. You see we have 2 loop on hook. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Insert your hook. Pull the yarn, again yarn over, pull it 2 loop. This is the single crochet pattern. Repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of 10 single crochet inside the circle. Here my 10 single crochet stitch is complete. You see clearly. Now insert your hook into the first single crochet and make slip stitch like this. For next round make 3 chain on top. Next we're gonna make double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn. You see we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. In first chain we're gonna make 3 double crochet stitch. Here second double crochet stitch complete. Next make again 3 double crochet into the same chain below like this. You see clearly. Now insert your hook into the next chain and make a slip knot. Pull yarn twice. You see my first flower leaf is ready. Now for the next leaf make 3 chains on top, again 3 chain and make 3 double crochet into the next chain. 1 2 and 3. Again make slip stitch into the next chain like here. Pull yarn twice. You see we have second leaf. Now for the third leaf make 3 chain again and repeat the same pattern. Make 3 double crochet into the same chain, and then slip stitch into the next chain. Repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of 5 leaves. Here my 5 leaves complete. Now slip stitch into the last chain, then chain 1 on top, pull the yarn, cut it with your scissors, Now pull the extra yarn and secure your work in the end. Now hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Like insert your hook and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Our crochet flower is now complete. You can make more flowers in different colors. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.